What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mexican here. You already know. And today we ended up getting a cold air intake and an E-fan for my 2013 Ram 1500. She has some mods done. Not to the engine really, but it's ported. It's tuned on 93 octane, and it is on a 4.6 drop right now. That's really it. So for the cold air intake, I went with the SMB cold air intake. That's the serial number 755106, and this was around 320 at the time of purchase. I also ended up getting this E-fan. It's from the V6 Rams, and yeah, I'm gonna replace it with the original. So truck is in the air. Yeah. Needed a step stool because I'm really short. But I got the fan and everything else removed, and time to install the new one. This is the old one right here. Honestly, I should have connected this one to see if it worked, but since I'm an idiot, I didn't check. Hopefully it works, and let's get this installed. So I have removed the stock air box over there, and this is my ported throttle body. The manifold and the throttle body are ported, and they were ported by Chewy Porting and Performance. This page is gonna be displayed here, and yeah. Well, it's almost nighttime pretty much, and yeah, this is the end result. Wait up, let me get my flashlight. So this is the end result. We got the cold air intake and no more clutch fan. So this is gonna be the first start, and let's see what happens. So this is our first drive with the new cold air intake and the new fan. Nothing out of the regular. Everything seems fine. In a second here, I'm about to do a pull. Let me get to a location where I can. So we're gonna do a pull from a complete stop. I'm gonna rev it up to 2K. Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy Mexican here. So we just did a couple runs, my truck. We raced an SRT8, and we got the RT over there. We didn't race the Yukon again, but I mean, shit, that's what we got. It's a pretty good race, I'm not gonna lie. We see that shit.
Alright, ready? Go no forward so it can be even. Forward. And you're in forward. I'll give you a little hit. Right there, good. Alright. Ready. Ready. Little 100.
OnStar Yamaha. And
4-wheeler, brother.
hell yeah.
Yamaha Raptor 700R. I believe it's black and gray, right? Or no, gray and
No,
gray.
red and gray.
Yeah, red and
There we
gray.
go.
Yeah.
Hey yeah.
Let's go.
Also, we found this little treasure over here. We got a little Ford Lightning. It's a little nice. I mean, I don't know if we can beat it. We probably can't. We're slow. Too slow.
Hey.
We got some new stickers, you know. Is it cool if I record?
Yeah.
Maybe be able to get it done by the end of the day. If not, probably first thing tomorrow.
Alright, so we're here picking up the Raptor right now. Loading it in. Hey bro, so what are your first reactions?
Oh, bro, that bitch clean as fuck, dude. Yeah, it's fucking. I don't know. I'm probably gonna stall it, but we'll see what's up. Damn. Hey, the only thing I don't want to do, I don't want to like make pop like fucking nasty wheelie. Like, fuck that shit. As long as I don't like pop a nasty ass wheelie, I think I should be alright.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Shit. Hey, as long as you let me ride it.
I'm gonna stall that bitch. Alright, let's go get the fucking paperwork. Raptor 700 special edition. Like it or what?
Yes, sir. Alright, well, we're about to go off with this little motherfucker, and
we're done, bro. Hopefully it doesn't hit your truck or fuck up your stickers though.
Alright, if it hits, you're paying for that shit.
Nope.
Nah, yes you won't.
I'm not paying for anything.
Yes,
I already spent too much money on this fucking.
I don't care. You're paying for that
How much
shit.
money I spent for this motherfucker?
Oh well.
So much.
Hey man. Good. So we back out here. He just stalled it.